over here. But before that, I would like to thank Kolte Patil Developers, Akshay sir and Anuj sir to be present over here. So welcome on behalf of Ideas and all the 16 participating companies over here. Thank you, sir. We also have Rajiv Nashikar sir. Rajiv sir was associated with us since we started off with this tournament. That time Ankur was working under his guidance. So even Rajiv Nashikar knows, sir knows Ankur very well. We also have Vijay Zobraikar sir, uncle of Ankur Zobraikar, present over here to announce the opening of this tournament today. So welcome on behalf of Ideas and all the 16 companies and also from developers. So just a brief, we started this tournament in the year 2005. And from that year itself, Ideas has taken the initiative of keeping this tournament going on. Then it was taken to different level by Rajiv Nashikar sir. It was initially when BK Kala sir was there, we started with this tournament. Then Rajiv sir took on. When Rajiv sir took on, we went on from 16 companies to 24 companies. And then when Prashant sir came, he is not over here today because of his pre-commitments, so he could not come over here. So he took it to 32 companies. So likewise, this tournament has been growing on since we started off with this tournament. And the best part about this tournament is it's not just only a tournament for all the IT faculties. It is something more than that. And that's the reason participating in this tournament is more important, or we can say it's very unique thing for the companies to get involved with this tournament. So that is what that makes this tournament a bit different. And yes, definitely the length or the duration of this tournament, if we consider, it's for last 19. This is the 19th year, so it has been going on.
Tournament, not only these two teams but all the teams are participating. This is the longest running tournament and it is older than IPL. Because IPL started in 2008 and just started today, so this is longer than IPL. So the reason we started this tournament was basically a road safety, because everyone knows that Ankur on the way in the road accident. And in this we started this, that everyone should follow basically road safety. So if you are on two-wheeler, please wear helmet, and if you are in the car, please wear seatbelt. That is my request to everyone. And most of the people, even they have buses, they travel with their own vehicle. So that's why I'm saying that please follow this too. It's a good tribute to Ankur to follow the road safety rules and wear helmet or wear seatbelt on their vehicle. So I declare this tournament open, and we can, without wasting much of time, and we can start the game at that.
Yes.
Thank you very much. As you all know, 19 years is a long period. And we continue having this competition. We lost 2 years in between for COVID. Fine, that's behind us. As Rajiv said, rightly said, it's a tournament for road safety. Ankur expired in a road accident. Very sad. And we still cannot come out of that even after 20 years, almost 20 years. Anyway, time is the best healer. Please play this game hard but honest. There should be no ill feeling amongst the teams. Who loses and who wins is a matter of, you can say it's a matter of choice or fate, luck. On one particular day you might be the winner, next day you might become a loser. But take it in your stride, play it hard, and play it with sportsmanship. All the best to all of you, and let's have a good tournament.